Hi guys, good evening to all of you. I'm here. I have something to share to you. Very what call this is very inspiration story. I have a story, so listen and watch carefully. I'll start now. There's a 10 birds. The name of the birds is chikading. Chikading, chikading, fly up the sky. There's a 10 birds chikading and landed on the tree. The 10 chikading landed on the tree. The one chikading fly. The remaining chikading is 9. Again, chikading, chikading, fly up the sky. The 10 chikading drop in the tree, and another one birds chikading is flying. The remaining is 8 chikading. And now chikading again will fly 10 chikading and drop on the tree. And another one chikading fly again. The remaining is 7 chikading. Again, chikading, chikading, fly up the sky, drop on the tree, and another one up in the up in the sky. Number one, another birds fly. The remaining is 6 chikading. These are flying birds. And now back to chikading, chikading, fly up the sky. 10 chikading drop in the tree, and another one chikading fly. The remaining is wait 5 chikading. And again, chikading up in the sky, drop on the tree, and another one fly. The remaining is 4 chikading. Again, chikading up in the sky, drop on the tree, another one fly. The remaining is 3 chikading. Back to chikading up in the sky, drop on the tree, and another fly one. The remaining is 2 chikading. Chikading, fly in the sky, drop on the tree, is another one fly. The remaining is 1. Again, chikading, drop on the tree, and the only one fly. No more chikading on the tree. We all fly. Thank you guys. Thank you.